Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the customers and the location tab. These are pretty basic, but it's doing its job and it's also providing you, I think, great and very useful details in a short time. Uh, we have spoke about customer report in our previous video, and now in this video I'm going to present you both this tab. You have the customers tab, basically where you will record all your customers. We have the option to record, to track and record up to 1000 customers, and the location where you can track up to 2000 location. What that means, it means that for any customer recorded in the system, you have the option to associate to it more locations. What location means, it means that a shop of the customers, a site location, maybe a delivery address, and so on. So you have 2000 locations for 1000 customers. Okay, going further, so the customer, you have to record the customer here with contact, with the customer name, email address, phone number, basically the basic customer's information, address details here, street, city, province, postal code and country, account details, a date when these customers became your business partner, and type of customer, business, VIP, individual, and you have many options here, or regular customer. You have a dynamic session where everything is calculated automatically, preferred contact and contact notes. I don't know, maybe this particular customer doesn't want to be contacted before 8 p.m. During the day. Okay. In the locations, you have the option to add new location. And how will you do that? For every location, you have to select the customer. You have the option to select, let's see, call this new customer. I have the customer ID, new customer, to say so, and I have to add a location for this customer. So call it new customer location 1, to say so, and further just select the other options: street address, city, state, province, postal code, zip, contact person, phone number, and so on, and special notes. This is the way how you add a new location. In case you have multiple location for one customer, you have to select again the same customer. I want to add a new location for this customer, so this time will be new location for new customer. I call it new customer because this is the new customer. Okay, so we have now two location, customer ID. So we have this will be protected, I think. So we have two location for this customer. If I want to add a new location for this new customer, select again new customer. What that it is doing is telling to the system that this location is belong to this customer, this to this customer, and so on. So we have 3 location for this customer. We have location 3. Come on, location 3. Okay, so we have new customer here. The system will know that this 3 location belongs to this customer, to new customer. Okay, and if I am going to complaints record and I'm selecting new customer here, the sheet is protected. Why did this is? I'm in the 365. Oh, come on, I wanted to do it here, but let me do it in 365. Okay, just pause protection. If I'm selecting new customer here, when I'm going to location, it's not Walmart location 1 because this is location for Walmart. I have this new location for the customer selected. So this is what this will do. The location, you have the option to add multiple location for the same customer. The only condition is to select here the customer, because the system needs to know who's belonging this new location. If it belongs to new customer or the Walmart, it will be triggering only the location based on the customer selected. Okay, this section, complaint status, is presenting how many complaints has been recorded for the specific location. So for the Walmart location 1, 3 complaints. For Apple location 1, 30 complaints. So this is quite a bad customer. 30 complaints for this specific location. How many times has been because of the customer's fault for this specific location, and how much lost amount has been lost because of the customer. This four time found guilty for the complaints. 9 complaints based on uh, Walmart location 2, and 1 time found guilty, and we lost more than $1,000 because of these complaints. So basically, all the data are dynamically presented to you in this way. Okay, let me go into the customers. New customer, we have also new customer added here. We have 1 complaint, 1 found at fault with $125. These are all automatically calculated. How many times this customer have failed the complaint, how many times it was because of his fault, and how money the company has lost because of the customer's fault. Okay, because of this customer's fault. Okay, and here in total, overall, all customers, we have almost $2,000 loss because of the customers. 6 complaints has been fault because of the customer. Overall, the customers, as you see here, 6 complaints from all 30. And how many customers from our entire database of customers have failed complaints so far. And this is all related to customers and locations. Where you see this red line, it means that here is automatically calculated, and it will be password protected, and you can edit anything in this section. But where is a green bottom border, you can type anything and edit anything in here. This is the end of the guideline presentation. Thank you for buying the product, to say so. If you have any questions, please let us know.